You love it?
This is the best sushi ever.
So we already washed our watermelon. I'm gonna use half of the watermelon. Wow, look at this. Beauty, Moya. Look at this.
I see it.
Wow.
Wow, that's so good.
So we're gonna cut these up into cubes, and you can get the seedless watermelon if you don't like the seeds into your watermelon. And before we go any further, we're gonna give this a taste. We have to give this a taste. Okay. Oh, it's sweet. Now I'm gonna cut the rinds off the watermelon. You want to get as much off as possible, the white part. Now we're gonna cut the watermelon in cubes, so it's easy to blend in the blender. Now it's time to blend the slushy. We're gonna add the watermelon first, and then we're gonna add the ice, so it's easier to blend. This is gonna be so good. I know it already, right? Now I'm gonna add ice. You can add more watermelon, you can add less, you can add more ice. This is just simple and easy to make. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of simple syrup. You don't have to add it if you don't have any, because the watermelon is already sweet. And I'm gonna add 1 lemon to it to give it a nice thing to it, a nice tangy flavor. So Maya adding half of the lemon, and I'm gonna add the next half. Adding the next half of lemon. Now we're gonna give this a nice blend, and I'm gonna blend it on frozen drink. I'm just gonna use a spoon to stir up the bottom of the blender so the ice can blend. Okay, so it's nice. So it's time to pour the slushies in. So we got 1 straw for you, Moya, 1 straw for me. Now we're gonna serve this up. Ooh, look at that slushy consistency. Look at that. Ooh. Here you have it, guys, our watermelon slushy. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. 1 for Moya and 1 for Mommy. These are looking amazing, and I know they're gonna taste even better. How is it?
Good.
Refreshing. Give it a next taste. Refreshing. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in our next video.
Bye.
You love it?
This is the best sushi ever.